This is the ASSA Maximum Plus restricted. Maximum Plus because it's got that undercut on the key. There is no sidebar or side pins in this lock. This is just compatible with the the twin Maximum Plus. Key's also compatible with the Maximum, but the Maximum does not have the undercut, so it's not compatible with the Maximum Plus. This is a Cliq cylinder, but the Cliq function has been disabled. That one's not going to fit. It's got barrels that are tapered, so to start with, it's just a game of back and forth until you get them all in the milling. When you should get a false set, very slight false set. I don't try to get them too much. I don't try to get them up into the milling. Anytime that I ever try to get it through the milling before they're all in the milling, so until I get the false set, I end up oversetting. Like that one. I think that one just started in the milling. All right, 4 is loose now. Just very slightly springy. There, 3 just went up a little bit. I think it's still binding, but I'm trying to find something else that's binding more. It was feeling a little bit mushy there. 1 just went up. I got a very slight false set. 1's still binding. Now 1 is set. 2 is binding, still binding. There, now 2 is springy, just very slightly. 3 is springy. So is 4. 5 is binding. 5 is springy. Six, 5, and 4 feel good. One is so high. Hard to get on it to even test it. I think it's binding. Wait, nope, I'm not so sure now. I think it's good. 3, I believe, is binding. And 2 dropped. Now 2 is good. I think 1 is still good. 2, 3, 4 is good. 5 is binding. Six is still good. 5 is good now. I think 4 is okay. 3 is good. 2 is good. So 1? 1 is already, so I can't even hardly lift 1 anymore. Now, let me check these again. 2 and 3 feel good. 4. I think it might actually be 5. There, now 5 feels good. I'll leave 4 alone. I may come back to it. 2 is binding. Still binding. There we go. So I think 1's good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is binding. I think something dropped. There, 1 just went up a little bit, 2 went up a little bit, it must have dropped. 3 went up, 2 dropped. Two is still binding, there we go. Three dropped. There, 3 is good now. 2 is good. 1 is good. I think 4 is good. 5 is binding. Still binding. There we go. So lots of ping pong in that lock. Get this thing gutted. That was one of the, basically this is just a ASSA 600, but one of the trickier ones, I guess, that I picked. But it is nice that you can pick from the bottom of the keyway and not off the warding, so that it does help a lot. see, this is a Torx screw. I think that's, yeah, it's the right size. Where's my, there it is. This key feels really good going in and out though. It's a nice, smooth feeling lock. It clicks into place when it goes all the way in. So I guess that is what, I've never seen one of these Cliq cylinders. I guess that is part of the Cliq mechanism that has been removed. I guess there's a check pin right there that comes up when the correct key is inserted. A little electronic bit there that raises that check pin up. I'm guessing, I don't know. I've never seen one of these Cliq cylinders. Lots of max lifts in this thing. Either max or one short of a max. 0 or 1 cuts. There's the milling. This side didn't really matter, didn't pick from that side. Guess that probably has something to do with the Cliq function as well, maybe. Not really sure. It must, because I've never seen that before. This lock also has the gut bar on it, but I just like the gut with the follower. So all barrels. Everything's typical with the housing. Nothing different due to the Cliq mechanism. I did want to gut this just because I've never seen the Cliq lock before. A big thanks to Blue Shirt and Vector Potential for letting me pick this. Very much appreciated. First Cliq cylinder I've seen, so glad to get the opportunity to do it. So that is the ASSA Twin Max Plus Restricted, basically just ASSA 600.